What's up guys, back in the garage today. I'm gonna upgrade my sprockets with an Moto rear sprocket. It's all CNC'd. This one is anodized black, and this is their raw aluminum one. Just a better look over stock. It's the same stock size because I don't wanna lose too much top end speed. I do have down one in the front, and for me, that's the perfect sprocket combo. So I'm probably gonna throw the black one on mine, see how it looks, and let's get to it. So come to find out after I purchased this is that the holes that these bolts go through, the wheel studs, it doesn't fit. On the OG and SF Groms, they have one size smaller bolt on this. So for the 22, you'll have to drill out the holes unless he makes another option for it. I'm not sure if I'm the first 22 with his sprocket, but he only had one option at the time. So just a heads up for that. Your chain tool, if you have one, we're gonna take off the chain here. Do that. I just have one of those cheap pro taper chains. Nothing special, but it'll do the trick for now. All right, pro tip when installing your new chain, you get your chain link right here and you hook it up to your new chain. And you go to your old one that you cut, you stick that through.
It looks something like this.
And pull it through. That way you don't have to take off the front sprocket cover, just saves you a little bit of time. Bam. Okay, now that we have our new chain in there, before we even wrap it around the sprocket, make sure that we have our chain tensioners pushed all the way forward to get the most life out of the chain. After you have the chain cut, mock it up, get it to size, get your clip, and put it in from the back. Lock it into place, get your clip, or your link, I should say, I don't even know what you call it. Put it over the top. And then you will get your clip afterwards. Always have the open side pointed towards the back of the bike, because just in case something happens, you don't want it to get caught if it's rotating forward. So always have the open end facing back. So as it sits, the tension isn't too bad. From what you can see under the swing arm, or behind the swing arm, pretty cool looking sprocket. I think it matches pretty well with the gold.